Okay, yeah, sorry, mate. I must have missed your message in the chaos. It's been hectic since I woke up. Uh, Algo's an extremely choppy at this point in time. It's difficult to trade out of this. Now, a lot of patterns in the past have actually kind of done this from this sort of situation. If it fails to break down, it'll move in the path of least resistance. So at this point, it's still trying to determine what direction. Okay, so you need to be very careful, as it is very tricky in this situation. The 3 day is still red. As long as the 3 day is red, you need to be careful because it can stay red and continue red to drop. Um, the weekly, however, we've stop hunted though. This is a very important thing to keep an eye on. This is a bearish stop hunt, and price technically is not bullish until we get above this. Okay, so I mean, if we break above this price will probably moon. Like we will probably start doing that if we get above this level. We're still red on the day, and you have not have not caught the lows. I don't think, at least. Um, so I wouldn't be buying here after a 10% bounce or 7% bounce or whatever that is, 7%, 8% bounce. Um, there's too much risk, because what if you open up tomorrow and have another red day down? Imagine this was a red one. That is a possibility. So I would take this a day at a time, and I would trade a new day. And if we flip green, you can see if the momentum is going to hold, and maybe move to the long side. If it flips green after a small dip, you could try and go long and see if we can actually get that bounce. If it bounces up like this, the direction will probably be to the upside for the medium term. It'll probably start a good run higher. As I mentioned, we need to be extremely careful here, because look at this potentially topping doji on the total market cap. If this rolls over, everything rolls over. So we need to keep this aware and keep this in your mind when you're taking trades.